Are you considering selling your home to a cash buyer? Our large network of cash buyers have over $10 billion in purchasing power, which allows us to source the best cash offers for you. When the buyer makes an offer, they've already reviewed pictures of your property and taken your home's condition into consideration. After you accept a cash offer, the buyer will do a quick inspection of the major components and systems of your home. This is just to make sure everything is up and running, not a renegotiation strategy. Once the inspection process is complete, you can pick your closing day and can move without making repairs or going through the listing process. Easy peasy.